Good morning, everyone. So I'm the art teacher in a school in UAE. So in my videos, I will show you what I'm doing in day-to-day life as a teacher. It might help you as an art teacher in your life. So what I'm doing successfully, I will share it with you here. So the couch you're seeing, I bought this couch from IKEA. I had many couches like this at home. So this was, I thought I should bring it to the school. I got an idea. So I brought it to the school in my art room. And every day, whenever I have an art lesson, we do have art lesson once in a week for each class. I'm teaching the elementary classes here. So when I have the art lesson, let's say with the grade 1, I select one person, one child during the lesson time, and announce to other students that I'm selecting one student as an artist of the week. So they feel more motivated, they feel more encouraged towards this subject. And I will show you the artist of the week wall. You can see here, artist of the week wall. So these are some of the photo frames. I write students' names here. First, the idea was to stick students' photos, but it takes long time to take the photos and print it out, laminate, a lot of paper and plastic usage. Being an art teacher, I feel like I should not use a lot of paper and a lot of plastic. So I'm just writing students' names. Then I select one student for the artist of the week, and then the artist of the week get the chance to sit in this special chair. I will show you. Yes, this one. And then they draw something. First, just sit on this. I take the photo like this. I have this special photo frame like that. So this is the photo frame. I take the picture, I upload it on school's portal. Then the child gets the chance to draw something nice on this couch. So you can see some tiny drawings here. Very cute thing. Look at this one. So still it's in a process. I got this one last month, so still they're drawing. Then I got this rack from my home. This rack also, they are painting, they are coloring. Also I got this sofa. I have started some painting on this, and I will involve my students also to paint on this sofa also. So you can see that we are doing Starry Dubai. You can see Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, and Dubai frame. This is Dubai Water Canal Bridge, and these are twin towers. So this is the thing currently I'm doing, and in the next video I will also share it that how I manage my class, what are the strategies I use to motivate my students all times. I don't face any behavioral issues during my lesson because the strategies I'm using, those are very successful for me. And even the kids who are having some behavioral issues in other lessons, they are performing really well, and I'm so happy to see this, that they are very motivated during the lesson time all times, and they're totally different personality. So signing off from here now. In the next video I will also take the whole tour of my class and show you what is the setting I have done in the class, in my art room, and what other techniques I'm using in the class. Bye.